Hey y'all, welcome to Humming Catfish. Today we're going to be making jalapeno salsa. So put on your apron, grab some jalapenos, and let's go.
Well, I lay down last night.
You may be asking yourself, why would I want to make my own salsa? I mean, they have tons of it at the grocery store. Making your own salsa is going to allow you to customize the level of heat. I'm somewhere in the middle. I do like a nice heat, but I don't want to be putting my toilet paper in the freezer so I can use it later. Another reason you might want to make your own, it's a lot cheaper. Big Salsa is an over $944 million a year industry. That's a lot of peppers. This salsa recipe is really easy. If you've never made salsa before, this is a good one to start with because we're not going to be roasting anything over a fire, and it doesn't have like all kinds of crazy stuff. So you're going to want about a pound of jalapenos. I usually err on the side of more, so it's usually a little bit over a pound. But you want to get them washed, and then we're going to talk about how much heat you want in your salsa. We're going to be cooking the jalapenos in water. Now you can leave them whole like this, all of them, and you're going to have a really hot salsa. What I'll be doing is I'll be setting aside half of the jalapenos whole with the caps on and removing the white part in the center from the other half. This is the pith or the rib of the pepper, and that's where it holds all the heat. Now that we have our heat level figured out, let's make salsa. Now I think that the flavors of the jalapeno salsa are even better after it has been chilled for about 3 to 4 hours. If you can make this ahead of time for whatever you need it for, put it in the fridge. By the time you take it out, oh my goodness, the flavors have all combined, and it's really good. I let this cool down a little bit, and I'm really excited to try it. Got my chips and salsa, so let's take a little test. Yep, it's got the perfect heat level for me. It's warm, the warmth is lasting. I don't know if that helps because it's hard to describe heat levels. If you do end up making this, I would love to hear back from you and what you thought about the level of heat and how many you left whole. If you could just drop that in the comments, like 6 out of 12. As far as how long the jalapeno salsa is going to keep, in the refrigerator, it should be good about 5 days. I've never had leftovers of it, so as far as canning this, you definitely don't want to. It's got cornstarch in it. You don't ever want to can anything that's been thickened with, anything. And if you left the cornstarch out, I'm still not sure if it would be okay because it's got a really low vinegar content, but Possibly pressure canned, I'm not sure. I would have to look into that. Well, that's all I got for y'all this week. I really appreciate you watching this video. And if you like what I'm doing, I sure would appreciate if you hit the like button. And if you really like what I'm doing, I'd appreciate if you considered subscribing to the channel. So until next time, I'll see y'all later.